Hey you guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm doing a full set. I just soaked her nails off, so that's why there's a bit of like ash on her skin. Her hands were soaking in acetone, so her skin is very dry right now, so please disregard that. I have her tips applied. I already put down a thin layer of clear acrylic. I'm gonna tell you guys what I'm using. I of course have my my favorite brush. This is the number 12 oval alpha brush. I didn't actually pinch this one. I know I said that I love flat brushes, but lately I have been just grabbing this one and gravitating towards it. It's so good. And I'm using a glitter called Champagne Sparkle from Creative Clawz, and I'm putting that on her thumb. And I'm using JC Beauty Concepts Cover Blush for the nail bed, and for the green and blue, those are from JC Beauty's pastel collection. And I believe that's everything. The clear that I'm using to cap the nails are ASP Clear Acrylic. So I just do some like random designs on the nails, and then after that I apply the bling. I'm using IBD 5 seconds nail glue to apply the bling, and I forgot to click record as I was applying most of it, but she at the last minute asked me to like remove a stone and place it somewhere else, so you guys will see me at least do that part. So it kind of like feels like I'm doing stone application at least. And then after that I let the glue dry so that it doesn't get into my top coat. After the glue is completely dry, I top coat and then I cure in the lamp, apply cuticle oil, and that's it for this set. If you guys enjoy these nails, please let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys, and I hope you're having an amazing day or night. Love y'all, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Bye.